In this lesson, we'll walk through how to set up a custom interface to suit your workflow. Start by opening the Preferences menu and going to the Config tab. Turn on the Enable Customize button. When this is enabled, you can freely move buttons on the interface. To move a button, hold down Ctrl+Alt and drag it. If you want to remove a button, simply drop it onto the center of the canvas. These buttons originally come from the palette list, so removing them from the screen doesn't delete them completely. You can always bring them back from the palette list. When creating a custom UI, a helpful tip is to place the tools you use often directly onto the screen. Then you can adjust or remove them as needed while you work. Another option is to install a pre-made custom UI and tweak it to match your own preferences. Now, let's create a new menu in the palette list. Go to the Custom UI section in Preferences and click Create New Menu. Note that this button will be grayed out unless Enable Customize is turned on. Once you click it, you'll be prompted to name the menu, choose something easy to recognize. After that, your custom menu will appear in the palette list. You can store it in the tray and start adding your favorite tools to it. At this point, you can also insert blocks from the Custom UI panel. These help you add space between buttons, which makes organizing your tools by category much easier. Next, let's customize the UI colors. Open UI Colors in the Preferences menu. You'll see a list of buttons and their assigned colors. Use the color palette to choose a new color, then click the icon of the button you want to update. Alternatively, you can drag across an icon to pick the color from where your mouse is hovering. If you want to change the background color of the canvas during your work, go to the Document menu and click the Back button, or drag a color onto it. Try adjusting it depending on your environment and preference. If you'd like to reset all your changes, just click Restore Standard UI in the Config tab to return to the default setup. Once you're happy with your custom layout, let's save it. First, turn off Enable Customize, then click Store Config. Your current layout is now saved as a custom UI. Even if you make further changes later, you can always return to the saved version by clicking Restore UI, as long as you haven't overwritten it by clicking Store UI again. If you want to export your saved custom UI, use Save UI. And if you'd like to import a previously saved UI, click Load UI.